If you're looking to add a Facebook pixel to your LeadPages account, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to integrate the Facebook pixel with LeadPages. But before you get started, keep watching because I'll also share a powerful alternative that may be a better fit for your long-term needs. First things first, why should you bother adding a Facebook pixel to LeadPages? The pixel helps track your visitors' actions on your landing pages, allowing you to optimize your Facebook ads and retarget visitors who didn't convert the first time. It's a simple step that could give you serious insights into your ad performance and customer behavior. Next thing, let's jump into setting this up. In your LeadPages dashboard, go to your account settings. You'll find an option labeled Tracking Code under the Integrations tab. This is where you'll add your Facebook pixel. Copy your pixel ID from your Facebook Ads Manager and paste it into the field here. It's that easy. If you're not sure where to find your pixel ID, don't worry, I'll link a resource in the description to guide you through it. The third thing you'll want to do is double check that the pixel's installed correctly. Once you've added your pixel ID, go ahead and publish or preview your page. Use Facebook's Pixel Helper Chrome extension to check if the pixel is firing properly on your page. This tool will tell you whether your pixel is tracking correctly, so you can avoid any potential issues. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, testing. You don't want to just assume everything's working after installation. After adding the pixel, visit your landing page from an incognito window or on a different device to make sure the pixel is recording your actions. You can see the data in your Facebook Ads Manager, and if it's working, you'll start seeing information about page views, conversions, and more. So far, so good, right? But here's the thing, while LeadPages offers a solid way to integrate your Facebook pixel, it's not the best option if you want more advanced tracking or customization. It's great for landing pages, but lacks the flexibility and advanced features that other platforms provide. For instance, if you're looking to track specific user actions beyond just page views or need more comprehensive analytics, there are better alternatives out there. One of the top alternatives I recommend is Competitor Name, a platform built specifically for more in-depth tracking and customization. It allows for easier integration with Facebook Pixel and also provides a broader range of analytics tools that can take your ad strategy to the next level. Plus, it's extremely user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with your existing tools. Stick around, because I'll tell you about how you can get an exclusive trial for this alternative. Before you go ahead and make a decision, remember that we've got an exclusive deal for you. You'll get the best free trial for Competitor Name, with benefits available only through our link in the description. Even better, we've listed some alternatives that might better suit your goals, especially if you're serious about taking your lead generation and tracking to the next level. Click the first link in the description to claim your exclusive trial and get started.